In this video, we will learn about enumerations, also called enums. An enum is a type that is defined by the programmer. To create an enum, we can use the enum keyword. We will create an enum named season that we give 4 possible values: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Next, let's create a variable of type season named time of year. We can set time of year equal to summer. Then let's output time of year to the console. When we run the code, notice that 2 was output. This may seem surprising at first, however, remember that enum stands for enumeration. Each enum value that we create gets mapped to an integer value under the hood of the program. By default, it starts at 0, so for this example, winter corresponds to a value of 0, spring corresponds to a value of 1, summer corresponds to a value of 2, and fall corresponds to a value of 3. In the last section, we learned about conditional statements like if and switch. We can combine this concept with enums. For example, let's use an if statement that checks if time of year is equal to summer. If so, we will output time of year to the console. When we run the code, notice that it is summer was output since the value of time of year is summer from our season enum. If we want to change the integers that the enum values are mapped to, we can do so when creating the enum. For example, we could set winter equal to a value of 2, spring equal to a value of 4, summer equal to a value of 6, and fall equal to a value of 8. Let's look at another example of working with enums. We can create an enum named day that has the possible values Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We will create a variable of type day named weekday. Let's assign weekday a value of Friday. After that, we will utilize a switch statement that checks the value of weekday. In the case that weekday is Monday, we will output Monday to the console and then break from the switch statement. If it is Tuesday, we will output Tuesday to the console and then break from the switch statement. In the event that it is Wednesday, we will output Wednesday to the console and then break from the switch statement. If it is Thursday, we will output Thursday and then break. If it is Friday, we will output Friday to the console and then break out of the switch statement. In the case that weekday is Saturday, we will output Saturday to the console and then use the break keyword. If it is Sunday, we will output Sunday to the console and then break from the switch statement. When we run the code, notice that Friday was output to the console since weekday is holding a value of Friday.